Well, good morning, buenos dias. We are another day heading towards Gibraltar today, and I have a excursion not till like 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go hit the gym. Mom's gonna go to breakfast and then go to the pool. I'm gonna go hit the gym and then go hit over to the pool for maybe the hot tub. So anyways, that's the plan for today, and then this afternoon again got this tour at the Rock. I'm gonna get a chance to go, I think, to the top of it or something as part of my tour. Time to hit the hot tub. Okay, my workout's done, hot tub's done. Now it's time for me to get some grub. I need some food, breakfast. Let's go get some. Okay, now that breakfast is done, we're gonna go hang out down in our room for a little bit while I'm gonna take a shower and get dressed. Again, it's only like 10 something in my excursion. Quarter to 11. And my excursion's not until 3 o'clock-ish. So we're gonna go just relax and hang out. Okay, everybody, well, we just had a nice little nap because we have a couple of hours to kill. Looks like we are docked in port. I'm going to show you the side of the ship here in just a second. The docking is actually on the other side of the ship, so I can't show you that from my balcony. But check this out. Pretty cool, huh? I'm not sure exactly what that is over there. From the talks, I heard that from Gibraltar you can see Africa, that part of Africa, and I don't know if that's it or if it's another part of Spain that goes around. We'll find out. The tour I'm taking today, which is in about an hour and a half, gets me this little cable car thing that goes to the top of the mountain, or the rock, I guess, the Gibraltar. I hear you can see monkeys up there. They have little monkeys, and tour some of the caves and stuff that they used in the military in the war. So anyways, I'm going to take you guys along with that. Anyways, we're going to go up and get some food. Get some munchies, some lunch. I had a late breakfast, so it's kind of a late lunch, but I won't get back till about 5, 6? When's
7.
7. I won't get back till
7. Back until after 7. I don't get back till after 8.
Alright, so we're doing 2 different tours. I'm taking one with this cable thing that goes to the top, and it's kind of a walking tour a little bit. Mom was going to take that, but they the people here on the ship send us a message saying, hey, please come see us because one of your tours or a couple of your tours may not be suitable for you because she can't walk very well. So she went up and actually got a different tour. So we are splitting up. She doesn't go until a little bit later than I do. But she should be okay on her own. They have lots of good people there that will help her walk around with her walker and all that stuff. So anyways, let's go get some food. Hey, we found some food. Mom got a nice sandwich. Turkey sandwich, I grilled it, and I got some chicken, fish, and peas and carrots. I'm still trying to make sure I have my vegetables. We also made it to the other side of the ship, so now this is the Gibraltar mountain over here, and there's another ship there, and you can see there's tons of buildings. Probably either hotels, because it's a big touristy area, or apartments, I'm not sure yet. I thought this ship was small for a cruise ship from all the other ones I've been on, which is the smallest I've ever been on. But look, there's one down there that looks even smaller. But there's people having fun. There looks like they're on the deck, sunning and so forth. So I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to adventure, I think, all the way up that rock. We're going to find out. All right, we left the ship. We're going to go hang out on port about an hour, 40 minutes before my cruise. And Mom has a couple hours, but she wanted to come and hang out on port and see if there's anything going on just right off the ship. So we're going to go check it out. There's our ship right there behind me. Pretty cool.
So he came across the bay and took Gibraltar. So they started calling it Tariq's Mountain. Tariq's Mountain in Arabic comes out Gibraltar. So over the course of the years, it's slowly been turned around to to Gibraltar. They have their own language in Gibraltar. If you look in the dictionary, it's called gibberish. That is true. Monetary situation in Gibraltar is pounds, dollars, euro. Actually, they take any damn thing, really. This actually is run by the our Royal Military Defence Land, all of this. And the actual runway was built in 1940, and the base of the runway is what came out of World War II tunnels. There's about 38 miles of road inside the rock, and there's 32 outside. Gibraltar's only 3 miles long, by 1 mile 20.25 width. It's about 16 miles round. This is the entrance into Gibraltar, anywhere between 7:15 in the morning and about 9:15. This is chock-a-block. There's over 10,000 people come in from Spain, Spanish, come in from Spain. We're actually, Gibraltar's the second most employer in Spain. This was actually built in the 14th century and it was built by the Moors, and it's a bath. Down there you can see a marina, another marina, load of flats, right round, right to your ship. You've got those brown terracotta roof flats there. All that lot has been reclaimed since 1980. All the way through there. Even those blue roof flats over there.
Way over there?
Yeah. Shooting round, this is the dockyard. We run along the road, along the edge of the dockyard. Belongs to Camel Laird now. Last week we had an American submarine in. Nothing in there at the moment. No warships at all. I've actually seen that double banked with warships right through aircraft carriers in the bay in 1982 when the Falklands War was on.
Oh.
and Lids and Jib just come to a standstill. We was having the Hercules come in every quarter of an hour. We had X-6 missiles coming from the other side of the rock being brought in round here. I worked on the ship called the Canberra, which was we put in a deck in to cover the extra deck. I volunteered to go with them, but they said no.
Well, we are heading back down the mountain. We're packed in this thing like sardines.
I saw about 3, but from a distance.
We saw some monkeys, which was really cool. And then we're going to go stop at this halfway point and do some walking. Now we're walking through some caves that are inside this big rock. Should be interesting.
The Spanish attacking Gibraltar in the Great Siege, and after the Great Siege, when General Elliot, who was in Gibraltar, in the British manner, asked the Duke of Guion for tea. He came and saw these tunnels and said, "Oh, is this how you won the battle?" He said, and he remarked, "These tunnels are worthy the works of the Romans."
It's the smallest, most shortest two-way dead-end street in Europe. Actually, they're not real gold. You can tell that by the teeth marks on the edges.
All right, I just slammed down my food and went to the Flamenco show. Well, Mom was waiting for me down there. They brought some people on board, shipped from the local town we were at in Gibraltar and Spain, which is right across the airfield, which you'll see in the pictures and stuff. But anyways, we're done with that show. Again, I can't take videos or pictures of the show at all, but we're here at the piano bar because they're doing the 80s now, my favorite time of year. So we're going to sit around here and watch the piano bar guys do their thing. And then who knows what else after that. Maybe that's it. I'm not sure. But anyways, we're going to have some fun.
All night, oh, every night. I gotta have faith. I gotta have faith, faith. And I'm hungry like a wolf. Take on me, take on me.
All right, well, that was a really good day. We had a good time on the shore, climbing the mountain. Mom had a nice little tour where she didn't have to do a lot of hiking like I did. Then we came back and, of course, some food and some entertainment, music, and the show. The flamenco dancers were awesome. And tomorrow, where are we going to be at, Ma? Remember?
We are at Cadiz, C-A-D-I-Z, Spain.
Cadiz, Spain. And we do have an excursion there, so we're going to get up and probably have breakfast in bed, or in a room service, actually, breakfast room service, so we don't have to get up too early to go get food. We'll have food delivered to us. So that's the plans, and then we're going to go to that city and do another tour and sherry tasting, I think. So stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. It's going to be fun. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.